The question that I'm going to handle now is find the missing number. It is given as 16 and 14, 210 in the brackets. Similarly, it is 14 and 12, 156 in the brackets. 12 and 10, what is there in the brackets? It has to be found out. The options are 110, 100, 120 and 90. So whenever questions like this are given, these are all known as logical reasoning questions. Whenever questions like this are given, you have to find out the pattern in the first one. You have to find out the pattern in the first one. Check whether the same pattern is applicable here. Is it applicable? If it is applicable here, then apply it here. So you have to find out the pattern here. There may be multiple patterns. You have to find out the pattern. If the same pattern is applicable here, because they are given two equations, the only third will have to find out. So if it is applicable here, then I will implement it here. So here what will happen is, I see 210 inside. So because 210 is a very big number compared to 16 and 14, I believe it could be a product. So I divide 210 by 16, I am not able to get a right quotient. Whereas when I divide 210 by 14, it is exactly 15. That is 14 into 10 plus 70 plus into 5. So 14 into 10 is 140 plus, and you can do it faster that way. So 14 into 15 is 210. 14 into 15 is 210. That is 14 into 10 plus 14 into 5. So 15 you can split as 10 and 5. So 16 is becoming 15. 16 is becoming 15. So the pattern is 16 minus 1 into 14. 16 minus 1 into 14 is the pattern here. That is first number minus 1 into the second number, I get the bracket number. So I will check whether the same thing is applicable here. So what I do is 14 minus 1. 14 minus 1 is 13 into 12 is definitely 156. So whatever pattern I have found out here is matching here. Then I implement it. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 10 will be 110. The answer is 110. The answer will be 110 and the A option. So this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is, we can also do like this. Again, find out some pattern some way or the other. You have to find out the pattern one way or the other. So the other pattern is 16 into 14 minus 14. So 16 to 14 minus 14 is definitely 210. I do the same thing here. 14 into 12 minus 12. Similarly here, 12 into 10 minus 10 will be 110. This is one pattern. This is another pattern. One more pattern is also there. So what will happen is, you can also do like this. Center number square. See 16 and 14, the center number, the average number is 15. 15 square minus 15. The same thing you can apply here. 14 square minus, sorry, center will be 13. It will be 13 square minus 13. Similarly here it will be center number 11 square minus 11 will be 110. One more pattern. This will be 16 plus 14 into 14 by 2. Similarly it will be 14 plus 12 into 12 by 2. Similarly here 12 plus 10 into 10 by 2. So all this will give you the same answer 110. So here 4 different patterns are there. Here 4 different patterns are there. All the 4 are giving the same answer. There may be some questions where the patterns are different. You will be getting different answers. So those questions, be very careful. Here the answer is 110. So you can follow my channel, you can subscribe to my channel, you will be getting questions every now and then. And I also got my own website. I also posted these videos there on my website. The website ID is www.aptitude-bsk.in. So my website, these questions are also there, the videos are there. So it will be coming under the column free online training. So that you can go to this, then go to the questions. It will also be there. You can either subscribe in this channel or also go either way, you can get the answers. Wish you all the best.